2, 3, now even 5%. India maybe 6, 7%. And number two, what's also interesting is both countries actually invest in human capital. What a lot of people see is that what President Prabowo is trying to do is to unlock the capital tied up in the infrastructure and pull it into the human capital by way of free meals, free medical checkup, affordable housing, and so on and so forth. So people really believe in that. It's a bold move because we may not see the result right away, maybe in 5 to 10 years, but it's a necessary move because the demographic bonus is not going to come twice in our lifetime. So anyhow, just to stop quickly, and also one more thing, the talk of the town is AI, right? Now the train has left the station with DeepSeek coming. If China can do one, China will do another 100 very soon. And what they are looking for is countries that have applicability use case, and Indonesia will be the one, right? So it is not more about the technology, like people don't talk about who found the internet, but the applicability of AI will be huge for countries like Indonesia, even in the same initiatives that Prabowo is talking about, the free meals, free medical checkup, affordable housing. There are many data that I think we can.